Hi everyone, my name is Gaurav Kekriwal from Vedic Math Forum Private Limited. At this moment, I am feeling quite nervous but excited at the same time. We prepared so much over the last 1 month. Thanks to Nalin and his entire team. We met a lot of investors and tomorrow is a D-Day. So I'm all geared up for the finale right now and excited at the same time, but still yet having butterflies in my stomach. I hope tomorrow goes well. Thank you so much.
Namaste. I'm from India, and India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. It has contributed to the world concepts such as yoga, Ayurveda, spicy chicken tikka, and Vedic math. So we're going to do 32 times 11. Okay? So we split 3 and split 2, and we add 3 and 2 and paste it in top, and you get the answer as 352.
My name is Gaurav Pekriwal and I am the go-to guy for Vedic maths on the internet. I've authored 3 books, more in the pipeline, got special features on Tata Sky and Reliance, and been 7 times on the TEDx stage talking about Vedic mathematics. Next. My founding team consists of edge of the spear executive talent who've given up plum jobs as consulting firms and a lot of young talent that is committed, hungry, and amazing in the areas of expertise. Next. We are backed by the Ambuja Neotech Group and we got some solid basic advisors. Thank you so much. Let's revolutionize mass education. The floor is now open for questions.
So how long have you been doing this? You can stop the screen share. How long have you been doing this?
So I've been doing this for the past 18 years. And we took our own sweet time to find the product market fit and started doing TED Talks, writing books, doing TV content for Tata Sky Reliance, and even doing some DVD-based programs. So, Vedic maths was hardly known outside the upper circles of education. And it was a pleasant experience to take it forward and as India's ambassador.
Are your courses online right now?
Absolutely, sir. It is online.
And how much does it cost on an average?
On average, in India, it costs 2,999 rupees, and in the US, we are selling it for 197 at an average monthly fee.
What percentage of your customers are from outside India?
40% of my customers are from outside India, sir. And that's where the revenue comes from, 40%.
What's your total team size?
25.
Vijay?
Sure. Hi. So, when did the Gujarat Ambuja Neotia folks put in the money? I mean, did they fund anything in terms of equity into your company, or are they just incubating you?
So, Ambuja Neotia not only incubated us, but they gave an angel round of 8.5 rupees, 8.5 lakh rupees, which was done last year in May. So, okay. It was a convertible debenture into it.
Okay. Thanks.
When was this?
This was last year.
This was May last year, May 2019.
Okay. Avello, you want to go first?
Yes. So, Mr. Tekriwal, are you in Kolkata? Sounds
Absolutely,
like
sir.
Okay. Good. I'm sorry we have never met. So tell me a little bit about the marketing strategy that you have in place and how much of your budget are you spending on marketing right now?
Absolutely. So we are using primarily 2 forms of marketing. One is organic growth, that is putting our website up for keywords like SEO. We are pretty solid on that. Next, our marketing strategy is completely digital on social media. We are trying to get marketing automation done as well, apart from generating paid ads on Facebook.
you mentioned you have books and you have, is everything under this company, or you personally have separate companies doing separate things on Vedic mathematics?
No, it's all under the same brand which we have built over the years. So my books, my videos have all been licensed to Vedic Math Forum India.
Okay, so it's
They'll
all
be
under one.
published by Penguin.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
They'll be published by Penguin Random House.
how much did you say you're looking for to raise?
About 1.5 crores
At what valuation?
at about a valuation of about 15 crores.
Yeah, how did you get that?
By
How
the
did you get
discounted. No, sir.
I
So
hope you
we
didn't speak to
arrived-
somebody in America and converted the dollars to rupees.
We got the.
Okay, I won't make you answer that because I know all of you are living in La La Land. The investors will be in reality if they're interested. Nisha, you want to go first? Then I'll go to Pranav.
Thanks, Gaurav, for your presentation. Gaurav, I would like to understand when you say 40-hour course, who is your end client finally? Like which grade?
So we started grade 3 onwards, which is 8 years above. The program goes for from targeted towards 8 to 18 years, and then we convert them into the regular month-on-month coaching program as well.
How many people have you taught so far? Your company?
If you see the reach, we over the years we have gone to over 4.5 million. Just the impact which I'm talking about.
What about
my
last year?
TED talk went. Last year we did about 7,000 plus students, sir, based on our government project, which we also taught.
Okay. Pranav, Nisha has a follow-up. Nisha,
Just
go.
one small question again. What is the cost of acquiring each student? Vis-a-vis your revenue?
2,500 rupees. 2,500 rupees, ma'am.
And you charge how much for your 40-hour course?
In India, we're charging like 2,999, which is about 3,000 rupees.
No, Gaurav, I think the question was your customer acquisition cost. The previous question.
Yeah, that's 2,500 rupees.
Okay.
Is a one-time cost. The lifetime value of that customer is over 12 months, sir.
Understood.
How much is that?
And the lifetime value is about 12 months.
I'll go to Pranav next and then go to Ravish, who has his hand up as well. So Pranav, you have something?
Hi Gaurav, thanks for your presentation. You did speak about product market fit earlier. Can you talk a little bit more about your product portfolio? It seems like you have this 40-hour course. It seems you also have some online interactive training. Can you talk about the delivery methodologies? What is so different about what you're doing? I understand that you've captured this niche, but what else is so different about you that that makes you stand out from the competition?
My competition, they have wasted a lot of investor money in generating a lot of awareness in the public for online education. Number one. Number two, my strength comes from the inherent weakness of my competition. So over the years, I have built up a brand. Didn't spend investor money into creating awareness of online education. Right now, we are focusing on a narrow product line, which you mentioned. So we have products on maths based completely, which is live and delivered in two forms, sir, which is one-on-one and one-to-many. So based on our niche, we can scale our operation faster and ahead of our competition. This gives us a high impact product, sir, with a solid referral loop, which is rapidly scalable at a minimal burn, sir.
Oh, Gaurav, you threw so many terms at us. We all impressed. But yeah,
Nothing like that, sir.
answer was somewhere in between.
between.
Yeah, like I always say, keep your answer shorter than the question. It'll be fine. Avello wants to make a point.
Okay.
I'm going to make two questions. First one is, please tell me if there's any technology involved in your process that creates a barrier to entry, because there are other Vedic math startups that are out there. So are you using technology in any way? Because the ones you said about competitive advantage didn't sound too much of a barrier to me.
Well, yes. So the idea is, number one, we have created this industry. That's a tall claim, but we started this when there was no Vedic math training companies around in 2008.
So just
all
tell me
the
the
other,
enabled competitive advantage.
so my competitive advantage is my team, my brand, my credibility.
Okay.
We have also gone into technology to scale this up, sir. In terms of we have built a
My second question to you is, you mentioned that, okay, you're acquiring for 2,500 rupees, and then the 40-day course is 2,999, but then there is 36,000 rupees over the next 12 months you get. Can you tell me what else? So once they take the 40-hour course, what happens thereafter in the next 12 months?
So once they take the Vedic Maths course, consider it like the top of the funnel. So they get into my funnel, and then we train them online on regular school maths, complementing with Vedic Maths. So if there is something which they can't understand, sir, we, in the traditional way, we give an easier option by the Vedic Maths.
Like recorded lectures, that is through Byju's like system, like what is it? What do you do?
It's a live training, one-on-one, and one-to-many, sir. It's a live training,
It's
one-on-one.
instructor led.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, Ravish first and then to Kapil. Ravish, you are muted.
Oh yeah, hi. So
Yes.
I just wanted to understand that you have some kind of a plan to maybe create an app, something like a Doubtnut, which and give a more on-demand Vedic mathematics concept teaching instead of doing a full course. Is that something in pipeline?
Absolutely. Yes, sir. So in 2017, we built a chatbot, AI-enabled chatbot. Students could just type and learn Vedic maths through text. So that
Got it.
was our shot at making an app and ensuring the students learn and they pay for it. But unfortunately, that plan failed miserably because nobody is paying for chatbot-based education these days. We tried it in the US markets, we tried it in the Dubai market, sir, but the chatbot failed drastically. So the only option and the last resort which we had was that we were too early in the market, and then we got into online one-on-one coaching.
Okay, Kapil.
Yeah, Gaurav, thanks. I was just looking at your website, and you also mentioned something about franchise. What I also wanted to ask as a follow-up question, you mentioned 7,000 odd students till date have been using your platform. And you also mentioned in the same breath that you are also kind of pioneering Vedic maths over the last few years. Why is the number so low in terms of 7,000 as you compare to nowadays companies like White Hat Junior coding companies, you know, they're signing up almost that number in less than a week. So what's your answer on both? What's your franchise program and why are your numbers so low at the moment?
My numbers are low at the moment because I've been spending time in preparing the company for scaling up. In terms of Vedic math as a business model, sir, is very, very new. Nobody had put a business model around Vedic mathematics. So we franchised it also, and we are right now present in 9 countries, sir, and trying to make our franchise partners very, very active in digital marketing so that we get more students. Thanks to COVID, sir, we have we are currently experiencing growth at 3 times what we used to do earlier on. The 7,000 students which we got last year was part of a government project, which we partnered with the government of Silvassa to take this forward. Because maths is inherently very weak. So all these days, Vedic maths was part of the toppers and university professors and a very experienced faculty. To bring it down to the grassroots level, it took me a lot of time. And the whole idea, and it's only now that the market is supporting it, sir. That is, India is ready for online education now. The internet penetration is higher. We have 4G and fiber rollout, and
Gaurav,
the awareness is there.
When you're teaching people to learn fast, what took you so long to learn?
It didn't. We all evolve, and we're still learning. I'm a big fan of continuous learning, sir.
We evolve.
But-
I'm in my 6th birth, so we are evolving. Yes.
So my other
I
question
didn't
would
wish
be,
investor.
I think you better
Yeah,
listen to
yeah.
Kapil. And Nisha has a question. Kapil, go ahead.
Yes.
yeah. my other quick question is, you also mentioned somewhere that you also have a methodology to train teachers on Vedic math.
Yes.
On whatever work, Gaurav, you've done till now, is there some sort of a scientific validation of students who were earlier learning math to the conventional methodology and were not doing well? After that, they picked up Vedic math and now their scores have improved. Is there some correlation to that? Is there some data point? Are there some testimonials?
Absolutely. So data points are, we have a plethora of testimonials, and we have done scientific analysis of all the projects which we've been part of, so that Vedic math works. So recently, as I was mentioning earlier, we partnered with the Department of Education in Silvassa to train 7,000 students. We took a test before and after the training, and we saw a great jump of 25%, sir. And this number, this figure, also correlates with South Africa, where we did a similar program. And you can test it also, sir, that if you are taught Vedic maths, the speed is incredible and the confidence is pretty high.
So we'll come back, go to Nisha. But Kapil was asking you those questions. Don't forget, he was the youngest chartered accountant of India when he passed.
Oh, wow. That's absolutely great to know.
Nisha.
Yeah. Gaurav, quickly. So you are the one who create the entire content for your organization. So it is dependent entirely on you, right?
No, we have a team. Our teacher team is about 15 members strong, ma'am. And 3 of them, we generate content. 5 members strong and 3 of us create content. Led by me.
Okay.
Should we ask around the panel if there are any offers? Yeah. I think it's been a fascinating discussion.
Any interest to discuss in the second half with him?
I would like to take this discussion ahead. I have some clear opportunities that I can discuss with Gaurav, although I understand the time was short, but happy to take this ahead.
Okay. Anybody else? Any offer, discussion? Want to partner with Kapil?
Kapil, is there any offer you would like to make? Right now?
Early to give an offer right now, but I see some clear possibilities. There are a couple of schools that I have. These are play schools, and these are large in numbers. So there's some very clear partnership opportunities that I see for what Gaurav's business is, and there can be some great synergies. So I'll like to take this conversation ahead with Gaurav maybe in the second half today and see how we can.
We'll do that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, Gaurav. So we'll facilitate that conversation, and then we'll continue working with you over the next 6 months. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gaurav. All the best.
Thank you so much, everybody. Have a nice day. So my name is Gaurav Tekriwal, and I represent Vedic Math Forum India. So I just pitched to the India Fund Fest, and my experience has been very, very positive. My presentation was taken in a positive, and the good vibes are coming to me. I felt very fit when I was presenting. My prospective investors, I think, asked me the right questions, and I hope I was able to answer them. I got butterflies in my stomach right now, and I hope that I get funded. Thank you so much.